Léimthart le Rory Radio Rira.
Radio Rira.
Díomh is mis Rory agus fáilte go Léimthart. An bodcréile seo dheoidh tú na PC éasfar an glóir Léimthart Radio Rira. Chumá le rudí spéisiúla nach bhuithí tú áit be eile. Éiste seachlum Léimthart Radio Rira agus cuinisúil an bodcréile de agalamh cluichí agus play.
Radio Rira.
Hi! Hey, ain't crack, any news?
Because now I was really too age.
Okay, so.
Laat me pure buzzer.
Íntaach má, so, hello, Susa Póilín, I'm Rory, and this is the first ever live podcast episode, The Léimthart. Woo!
Yay! It's an honour. Caimara. So, tardig a brand show. A dear channel. Tan níanagal shees as tamashu just sucha.
Yeah, and we're all good and sure, luckily we're getting ourselves through this quarantine. Yeah, so the Dina ag Branaware, we've got viewers. What are we going to be talking about, Póilín?
Woo! So, tan list agutse, but basically, no job darker for her. But so, tamid gal hashta ma a canch na cluichí agus na consoles do said much fast niece.
Yeah.
Agus an sin genu much cluichí book and the me mashe genu blind drawing agus Rory Mchroru.
Yeah.
And sin be much a genu guess the movie quote.
Yeah.
Agus and sin be lightning round again agus couple of adela go leor.
Yeah, so we've got Nyart le dinna venue agus sé seo fad because we're all stuck so while in quarantine agus be tá annachcuid ama again chun annachcuid cluichí immert annachcuid rudí fun a dhéanamh. So before go mé sé déanamh nuair dí seo bhí mis agus Póilín, we were going back and forth ar fá láú go bhí dinner with a show, we'll do this, we'll do that agus tá list the das again to keep you happy so while keep yourself entertained, accomplished, Ruddy. So, let's get into it, Estocha.
You. Okay, so first and east, Rory, can short consoles of you good to the hasa?
So, an céad console of agam no PSP for me nervy me neat, yeah.
PSP. Oh my god, sorry, just PSP throwback.
Kind of a little bit out there. Yeah, so for PSP agam, I got it when I was knee. I don't know, the Nintendo DS ag mo grif for revision, and then the PSP agamsa, and then we got a Wii níos Jenny, but we never had like a PlayStation, like full PlayStation or Xbox range where there was just Nintendo, PSP, and then on Wii.
Fair enough. Well, I should like just get the book ní sinne that has it. Agus hiad kin the agamsa was Game Boy Color.
Oh my god, I remember that.
Yeah, it was my brother's, but I used it obviously. And then PlayStation 1, Game Boy Advance SP. It was like hot pink.
Yeah.
Agus PlayStation 2 obviously shared amongst family. Agus what else? Wii agus Nintendo DS. That's about it.
Yeah.
PS3 you can stanish.
Yeah. So show basically ferfa chun na console sin fad a hogal amachchas an cófra ceangal súsca an telefisid and start charging those batteries and tuske in the shan cluichí sin all those old games. Cén cluichí a bhí agat, Póilín?
So lagur dúm si gimmer sin Nintendo Wii her mas is couple scale agus bhí ma curcéiste ar níor chuir gal go DS ná Wii. So iné jimmer ma Sims Castaway agus aniu jimmer ma Super Mario as bhí se class.
Yeah, an cluiche a bar lumsa ar an PSP was near me a cluiche amháin, really. I got the Wally game, nar tháinig Wally. Remember Wally? Yeah. Bhí sé
Wally game.
Class. But near chríchni me, I was like, okay, what do I do now? But then bhí an cluiche show called Thrillville agam where you like run a theme park. So bhí tú ábata like rides a chuirteach, bhí tú ábata you could set up like a hot dog stand agus like till of argid, and then like virt you had staff to pay agus bhí échas deisiúcháin on the roller coaster, and you could build the roller coasters yourself freshen from scratch upon me on, and you could go ride them then. So I was like, whoo, mind just exploded.
Like Cosla The Sims, except for roller coasters. Like it's just budget version of Roller Coaster Tycoon.
Yeah. Basically. Agus then you're like park manager, so we adult team. You were going round agus like shekel suas and playing the games and stuff like that. It was so much fun.
Can I just say though, PS1,
Yeah.
Crash Bandicoot. What a game.
Oh.
What a game. Bhí sé class.
Níor immer mé, but chula mé gur sé Dakar.
Oh my god, bhí sé just unreal. Agus like, bheit go reading the levels and then you had like a tiki mask agus bheit like, oh my god. And
Yeah.
then, like where she's agus just literally the best fun. Bhí level away then, agus bhí boulder chase LDA.
Yeah.
Agus big and they'd like
Oh my God.
at the 100.
Yeah.
So stressful but class.
Sin ionach, these are all like things that you can be doing. Soáile, if you've just joined in, Tomid ag leir fí rudí le duine of Soáile fada school féin Ainrú. Thank you to Owen P.O. Murchu on Gaelgory as of féin Ainrú a bhúna dom. Mar hairmen, which means self-isolation. So tá neart rudí le duine of Soáile. So if you got any suggestions, Aberlin, in that little like comment box ag an bon. I feel like a YouTuber in-ish. Tuair suggestions soon, because Tomid ag leibh na multi ar fad amach ag an deireadh. So I think we'll go like cléthe, liven up the spirits, Pauline.
Oh yeah. Hang on. Can you the kind while I set up? Hang on. Came myself flip out. Was I flipped?
Dúirt Pauline Lynn. Pauline was like, this will be a good idea. Agus ein team Cade fin Gade like it's blind drawing.
Right.
So an rud a Hoirlín sa seo no. Tá Pauline chun piece of paper a chur. There we go. There's that piece of paper. And she'll have a blindfold.
Okay.
Agus bei
So
armsa
blindfold.
Raleigh. Oh, hi Sinead.
Hi Sinead.
Bei armsa Raleigh cadla duine leis an
So,
like pian
glasses are
Louis. And we'll see Moss Facial picture wa a harint in
Okay.
I don't know, cuideg second, truck a second.
Draw a second, agus Kate sa mé chróú.
Truck
I
a
think
second.
is the best idea.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
am I completely...
Cai mé Raleigh. Oh yeah, te suas, te trasna, te
Hang
sias.
on, am I completely
All that. Oh,
blindfolded right now?
Okay.
I don't know what you want me.
stop the blindfolded inis agus tá lista beogrolí
Okay.
agam gur féidir le tarint.
Well, mate, in frame is a gish tugum. Huh?
Am I telling you what to draw?
Yeah,
Pauline?
you're telling me what to draw. I guess you're guiding me on the.
But
page.
am I telling you what you're drawing?
Yes, and guiding me, please, because I can't see anything. Am I even in
And
frame?
guiding. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, Karen made truck a second. Okay, so we're gonna start nice and esca. So Tussum with le tach. So that's
Okay.
that'll be going
Okay.
up and
So-
down and back, blah blah
so
blah.
square,
Tussum
okay,
with the
Okay.
tree, though. Hey, oh, you've gone. Okay, she is.
Okay.
And
She's off.
Tear clay. Okay. Oh no.
Are we
Okay,
going
Suis Arish.
Okay, we're gonna do some windows.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, they're looking
Are we
great.
looking- are we
It's very
looking-
abstract. It's kind of cubist.
Oh, abstract is not what we're going for. Rory, you know
Tá
that.
sé nó go tú
Okay.
tarint like robot face in ish. Fecky tú nuair tú. Okay.
Wall-
Yeah.
Wall-E,
Cur sí
the
san
game
pealú
for
an sin.
PSP.
No. Yeah. Anwa. Yeah. Shit. Clay.
Okay.
Clay. Fuck.
Okay.
Clay. Okay. Tá tá like.
No! Not even riff again.
Ban
It's a very-
Barditon, what you call it.
It's a
on-
very leaky house.
Yeah. Tá there.
Hang
It's a
on.
nice door.
Go.
Here and there.
Oh god, it's horrific. It's so bad. Okay, next.
Okay. Next, we're
Like,
gonna
go back
get
on.
Nice
We're
Jackra. Anish.
Okay,
Okay. So.
I'm ready.
Dinner with Madra is
My
tócha?
body is... Okay, Madu at your huddle. Madu.
Sorry, Madú. Is Creedlum Maler in an Hoshacha ag scríb Madú. Okay, so ag tosu ag gan cuaig car tree do hain go.
Okay, we're going sideways
Okay,
and we're
Anna,
going
yeah.
over.
Oh
over-
yeah, Shingama,
tail.
yeah, Arable Jas.
Okay, and then. we'll go
Inter,
for
yeah,
some
Cos,
legs.
yeah, Cosella
oh
Trasna,
God.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh,
god, the
good.
two Intach.
Thanks very much.
Okay, Anwa,
Anwa.
Anwa. Okay,
oh
Ton
God. Oh,
Asula
I
kind of
lifted- I lifted it.
off, but it's okay.
Okay, hang on. I'll
Um,
give it some like a wee smile.
Oh my god, Funga Vecchio, it's like Sid from Ice Age.
And then,
Okay,
like,
Thomas
what-
Shake,
what-
Thomas Shake, truck a second is gone.
Oh my God.
Catmere Deuce, it's like, it's a very skinny dog. Skinny legend.
It's deformed. Why is the tail bigger than the body?
Oh my god, it's brawling me. bheits le sin na cheolala chu can you like sign these agus we can like auction them off like Club and Conra.
Oh yeah, just like pure like fab. Let's frame it. Fab. Oh wow, it's a work of art.
Tá sin
Oh
ionntach.
my god, that's
See,
devastating.
it's very lot they show immert like the clan, it's very lot the grahar, the great for the wam, like put on a blindfold, tur truck a second of, and you might get a masterpiece here, no show.
That's actually hilarious. In fairness, it is hilarious.
Okay, and anyway, can
Okay.
on we'll do one more.
One more, okay.
Okay, an or show tarring muck a pig. So
Oh Jesus,
tusig,
same concept. but,
igyan,
like, let's make
tree, do, hain, go.
face on, I think, is the way to go. So we're going.
Yeah, sure on jobs.
Bralanya, you'd saw you do more like drawing exercises or college
Yeah.
shift. That's what I paid $3,000 a year for. Was to do this basically for 2 hours on a Friday.
Ionntach ma,
Is
you are blind drawing, den
yeah,
sco.
I'm a
And you got
blind
tree.
drawing connoisseur.
do,
Uh,
hain,
yeah.
stop. Whoa! Shinning count as far, that's the
Oh
best
my
one.
god! It's vaguely Picasso-y.
Tá sé nós kind of, you know, near tá madra agat, and it comes and like lies on his
Yeah.
back, agus tá sé géir that you like rub his tummy. Sé nós
Gus
le
le-
nach muck é sin.
Cos le broad a ledger na an ars na Uachtarán.
Yeah, all the question. Bravalla madra nos broad.
Let's put you flippity back.
Yeah. You.
I know.
Mahu, Pauline.
So that was our blind drawing expedition.
So, for any new viewers, we're going to tell you now, Tomid ag leir trí rudí le denmh during self-isolation soália. So Hannah Féin, Conor Rinnemer, we talked about old game consoles, Togamachus and Kofor Eat, Rinna Pauline and blind drawing show, which I love. Oh, there Sinead is Brollam and Muck.
Beautiful dog.
Cutie Biog.
And it's a house that it's only 600 a month. It's in Dublin city centre. And, close to
Agus
all
so to ag
amenities.
roint laba leis an tír talún.
Yeah, so you're only sharing a bed with 3 people, and there's no roof.
You get 1/4 of a duvet.
Yeah, just yeah.
One shelf
you
on
know,
a fridge.
It's
Gavi
quadruple.
len Misa.
Yeah. So these are all 50 grand each.
Yeah.
So signed and will be a competition winner if you want to.
So-
Anyone who texts Gaelga to 50300 can win one of these fantastic art prints.
Yeah, if you would like to win one of these lovely original prints, text Gaelga to 50300. Chun ceithre euro hort chuig Conor na Gaelga. Ionntach ma ar fad. So, we've created Tomatéis Feig Immert Bud inis Tomad ag bugarrá chuig rudí gur féad leat den of mar híimsíocht. So,
Yeah.
is bralam sa scanán. Níl rudder bit aróla sam fwy scanán. I'm not a movie buff, but fi smína víntach ag Pauline. Cair de bhí an.
Marvina Goni. She's just a genius. So, Híl Mesha, good job, guess the movie quote, you know? I guess, sorry, I've created a helpful graphic. I'd take myself, I'd take myself backwards. Backwards, guess the movie quote. Hang on, one sec. Guess that quote.
Sin go hálinn, that's beautiful. Céim
thanks
fág
very
go
much,
go mai
that's-
tarnt.
That's what you get for $3,000 a year in DIT.
Okay, I'll just get $3,000 and denimation then. I'll come for your business.
Let me graduate, guys. So
Okay.
basically, Sinead Tamid Gully Enu is Tá Tamishka Leo ma couple of quote as scanan a tá masara ahanta agus that's the Gully Enu year tosh Kane scanan thumb.
Okay.
So ever a hen. Very easy. I'm looking for a blue flower, red thorns.
Say that again.
Blue flower, red thorns. I'm looking for a blue flower, red thorns. Blue flower, red thorns.
I don't Neil Shishinrolis. I don't know.
Then you'll be in the comments about the Goodilish because clearly this man's never seen the greatest film ever.
No.
This'd be so much easier if I wasn't colorblind.
What?
The quote is, I'm looking for a blue flower, red thorns. This would be so much easier if I wasn't colourblind. Come on, Rory.
No.
Shrek.
Níl sure is like Sineadach an Aird.
What? Shrek.
Ken-
Great quote.
Oh, okay. I'm publicly shamed.
Yes, Gurmi no agad Aoife, chain daon le cíalachí sa chatsa. Thank agus Catherine Foster, legends, obviously.
Yeah, well done, Kat.
They'll be invited to my next movie night, not you.
Okay, I'm embarrassed now.
Okay. Yeah, no, that was sort of the easiest one. So
Yeah, you said it was easy.
Concerned. I'm
Okay.
concerned. Okay, so Mrs. P, Mrs. I, why are all these women married?
Oh, Matilda.
Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Mrs. D, Mrs. I, Mrs. F, F, I, Mrs. C, Mrs. U, Mrs. L, T, Y.
Why are all these women married?
Oh, no, I was gaffa.
Okay.
Leis an scon an sin. Nervy me.
There's
Shocked.
your class in fairness. Is bísin on mar fart den co-video party I an Alison Spittle or Twitter a hanna
Honnig me sin. Yeah, she was with
Yeah,
Tara
so-
Stewart.
An chiad ihe bhí si de gurgur Matilda agus dar si ar bhí binter chuint an scanan I go am cearnar ar nílog a hannaige hashtag co-video party hilarious agus brún hallinne play agus bin bal de trachttaí ar Twitter have a good time
Yeah.
ESC ní haist tú see she's gone what'll I watch on Netflix perfect janta for you.
That's so cute.
Okay, one more quote maybe.
Okay.
Oh, actually, I have a good one. This one is romantic.
Okay. I'll try not to get swooned.
Yeah, I know. It's difficult. So, this one is, I came here tonight because I realized when you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible.
Oh, that's so nice. But
I know,
no.
adorable.
Níl sé agam.
Then you'll be in the comments, I will to while I ask you one more.
Yeah. Well, this again, yeah? Does anyone know?
Wallisig, then you'll be. Does anybody know this one?
I guess not.
Taper up real quick if you do. Okay, so we'll do one more then. So,
Okay.
This is my house. I have to defend it.
The classic Macaulay Culkin in Home Alone.
Yeah.
Brawlham Home Alone. Oh, Pauline, cut it in Home Alone is fire. To Cara Keenan.
Okay, so the Zart me jaar toe dan jak dat je karkers. Go away.
Yeah.
Anyway, so Hiedkin, obviously a classic. Dadakin had the crazy bird lady.
Yeah. Brenda Fricker.
Number 3,
Yeah.
terrible, don't bother. Have you ever cahir ugaya or DVD?
Yeah.
Agus bhain me actually soltas. Bhí me smuintir na bhí muid na movie code so bhí me like I wonder juggling Kinsausage, which is my favourite quote ever. It's like, be a prepared preparator, that's my motto and that's why I'm, and then she's like, a Boy Scout. It's like, no, I'm the boys. But yeah, I think number 1 is the classic.
I don't know. See, I don't know. I think Ivra Cahir definitely the worst and Canis Massa, and then Ivra Tree near can make grip shape ufasuk. Like kind of hahan chill on the whole high tech thing that it's about a chip and all that, and then
Why would you get rid of Macaulay Culkin though?
you miss Macaulay Culkin. Yeah, Ivra though and Ivra Hain, they're Biognach. They're almost level in Muhurim because
Yeah.
it's just Barlam and Scan on a Hain nís mo ach na booby traps in Ivra do or nís fair I think.
Yes, I guess plus I love a Gurker Home Alone. His feel like, wow, he's just dead.
Yeah.
Like isn't there a cow on the breaky on roof instead of like cow she shit and they land on his like he's just dead. Like or like when the house blows up, I guess down fire and like it just emerges unscathed. Like wow, yeah, no, just call the coroner, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, Booby Trap's best in 2. Storyline and number 1, obviously.
Yeah.
I guess 4 was good for laughing at.
Yeah. So, Hug to Tree movie quote somsa, I'm going to test you. Chance boy can make two niece fair. So, I'll have what she's having.
When Harry Met Sally.
Mahu, tonight. It's Queen
So
of...
naturally, and then Dana
Yeah.
quotes some sass. Is that I came here tonight because I realized when you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. Isn't that when Harry met Sally? Right at the end. Yeah.
Oh, see, I've just seen that scene. Is Queen of... Honnig me,
That scene.
it was Machéad lá sa chéad bhliain sa choláiste agus chuir an lector siú like, is seomar le 500 duine. I thought, just out the leaving cert and everything, but
Appropriate.
bhí sé iontach. Okay, so 40 Canaán an dar can you'll float
Dun, dun, dun.
you'll float 2.
Oh, it.
Yep.
Never seen it. Just know the quote.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Tá sé okay.
Terrifying.
Yeah, tá sé air Netflix
just-
and ish, so that's a good movie to watch.
Ní bhhailm horror films, and I've tried so hard to like them, and I can't do it.
Yeah. Okay, and then in Tree Count for a full house. You talking to me?
Oh, what you call it? I know it.
It's not you, Ming. It's not you, Ming.
And well, tusa ag leabhart lumsa. What you call it? It's not Goodfellas. It's Godfather.
Niha.
Oh my god, no, it's one of those. I know it. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, that's so embarrassing. You talking to me?
Oh,
my
look at the
God,
comments.
just Taxi driver. Yeah. Thank you,
Sinead.
Cormac.
Yeah, well done,
Oh my
Cormac.
God.
So, Sinclair Ella, we're gonna move on now. And Cadra Ella that we're gonna give you is we're gonna give you the lightning round. Agus tá mé iontach scetimiíocht the show. I'm so excited because we've talked about games that you can play. We've done examples. We've done blind drawing. We've done quizzes. These are just ruddy on toppy that we can tell you to do. Things to learn. Ruddy le den of Eishin ar fad. Gur féile dina Sowalia, tá si toppy, ní glachan siad mór an ama, and we're going to give them to you like that. Hence the term lightning round. Could have thought my mansplaining, Pauline.
Oh, unreal. I feel totally mansplained too.
Okay. So, okay,
Like, yes,
so made
I've
him a
seen
lightning
lightning
round.
before.
The Gakridge Griefy She Saga Joe. I wish.
Okay, I have no
wish I
idea,
had
Jim,
music.
so I am as wise to this as you are.
Yeah. Okay, well when I edit this podcast, I'm going to put lightning round music under this
Dun, dun, dun,
when
dun.
it's on Spotify and Apple
Dun,
Nice
dun,
Janie.
dun,
Okay.
dun, 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 dun,
So-
dun, 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 dun. You don't even need it, I'll just do it in the background. Dun, 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 dun.
So, Fulham Dice new a TikTok. You don't know how to say so? Now you can learn. Glán the Hyomra, you'll get a sense of accomplishment. Watch those home videos. If you are stuck at home with your parents or your sister or your brother, watch the old home movies. Watch your parents' wedding video if you have it. Play a board game. Pull them out. Dust them off.
Fight with your family over said board game.
Fás face oak. Nílam se héiscoil níos fidir na seachtain riomh gan magrúg aige a bhar agus tamadinish caiiciis isteig. Yeah,
Well, tá mis fáis má eyebrows agam, so you know I feel your pain.
yeah. Okay, lightning round still going. Planál Sira a rocky tú arhu nuair chréicnín on féin einrú seo. Learn how to correctly pronounce Dua Lipa's name, aka it's not Dua Lipa, it's a D, not a J. Eish le podcraila, dear cosú lenish. Hey, listeners, and the dinner acliata, there's loads of Zumba and dancercise videos on YouTube. Get going, it's fun. August, on Rud Dernach, Black and Shay 5 second, ní the chuid fucking lava. Whew. Okay, that was a sprint.
Get in there.
Rudatá
I
níos
know.
kind of, it's a little bit more serious, but leis an whole self-isolation shot tá neart gnólachtaí héis dúna si is go sealadach béisi the rash, but this is going to be a tough time for them, so this is almost like the sponsored piece of the podcast. Club an Conra, it's a magical place in Malaclia. Bhí Milla Pauline on, I think, or one, which is ridiculous. Cunas nach raibh mar
Oh, couple of words, just near us.
I don't know. It's Cuilim of Rala Quinta, which was a good night. But tá si ag jumpsuit agad faoi láthair chun bilia íoc agus iad a chuinál ag ré, and what they're doing is they're basically getting you to buy in advance on your pints. So, an Sarah Shakata bhí kosher ulwar acha chun achiola a dhéanamh after they'd done a load of repairs, and tá si the din of an rud céine an Sarah seo. So what they're doing is tá si ag jumpsuit agad €2 is like gach pinta, I think. And then Araniha, you do Darvan na ga €2 a hugan tú, and you can redeem that against a drink. So Tor Argid, Mas Gailhu, Ma Larn to Gailga, Ma Vanity Usadas in Club. Leatherhull, Tor Round Argid. At Club Conra our Twitter, you can get the link there. Hug me €2. Pauline, I'm going to assume.
Be my Junion, my Shiv Sean. Can they jot in?
Yeah.
Tá bart, tá móní sáile.
So, big taku leis na gnólachtaí in Ainsley, gur féidir ceannig Lena, ceannig Darwan, all that, it'll mean the world to them.
Agus, glach nota da na pobannaí agus na siapaí lig a rid.
Yeah.
Agus a thug airad na good ibrí agus gen nota le galiste nuir tá muidir le gabal to bug hart éis because níor vegan dí fasinníanú gan máú ón réaltas agus talúthar an godear se dé agus bhordíh gáil agus session mór big in sna pobanna lig a rid ar wireless láinte go.
But ní an pub in an Ibrimse because I don't want a rough day at work. Yeah.
Neil Roy Gary gal over.
So, sin intach mar fad. We're going to move on. And Chéadrad Ella, now this is more of a, almost like sending a love letter, like the Chara, new the Gra Gal, new Payrod, be sween of Das Agam. Why don't you go, you make a Spotify playlist, le dead Noran, agus capan that you think, you know, it's personalised, you think, ta noi, shisho, le dinna again. Agus we need to, what would Pauline like? What would Pauline like? And I put 10 songs together, and I've made that Spotify playlist. So she denta agam, agus sa me chun e cheola chud, heish on live stream show. Nuir tá mé editing the podcast, I'll send it to you. Agus ceapam se go mhainní tú sult as an cuid smód in na hár an air. Some of them you might predict hana féin, but it's all love at the end of the day.
Well, the cin John Dugam sa dute fásta agus, you know, be se just jazz na Shamara fi ma bopad heart gen Uber tí agus be mam the ish like yours for like, oh, how kind of roll Spotify playlist do you have?
On na hár an atá agam roundyhead it, scríf me síí so I can tell you what they are. Now, I'm not going to play them because, you know, copyright agus rudí mar sin. But
Fair.
it's very like Aisha Glowhish. Agus by Gachtina, a Vinta Geisha Glisho, they'll be able to get it. Agus basically Lobata on Lista, you'll be able to access everything that we talked about here. Na Clihi ar fad, na Swint ar fad, na Scunon ar fad, Bish ar fad ar fall, Erlina Heish. I'll be putting it live on @Lameheart, their Instagram. There'll be a link, you'll be able to access it. So, Pauline, Dichiain Lista, ag tusa amach, the most obvious an Taran Gabralam that you taught me. Maggie Rogers, Light On.
What is she?
What?
Kill her die, honestly, makes you want to cry and dance, in fairness.
Ní féidir le méchar isteach a bhocail céco buchas ach is a tám gurbhúnta sin dom. An dara cean, Party Boy 69, Booty Flow is anam though. It's a proper, like, just techno, Ínta le sena fad is good
Okay,
to,
class.
you know, like sweeping the
Hyped
floor
up,
or
hyped up,
wiping
I
down
get
the
it, I get
surfaces.
it.
Agus like need a chuid lava. An tríú cean is an oldie but a goldie. Dreams le the Cranberries.
Ooh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Proper like
Fair,
nostalgic
fair.
and Cahruchian, we have danced to this Lichela is Creena Meg Gusuller Men Are Trash by Tebby Rex.
What did you?
What a tune.
God.
Say ho friggin'
Words to live
groovy. Okay, can Ella, I know Griff to it. Don't Feel Like Crying by Sigrid.
Yeah, fair.
Some of us want to cry these days, it's tough. And we need a bit of love in our lives. Can't you Beidú nach na agad there? It's called Hurting. Agus is le DJ there random SG Lewis agus an grúpa Aluna George. It's proper kind of like clubby. All fun. And Kate Canella supporting Irish artist Erica Cody, Good Intentions.
Erica Cody,
What a babe. And if you're, you know, listening to this podcast now, scroll back a few episodes and listen to Erica Cody on the Lameheart podcast. # plug. Frank Ocean, Initial Provider. Nice, like, chill vibes.
Oh yeah, Frank Ocean, always
And
good.
then we've got a grime MC called Stefflon Dunn. She's got a song called Hurting Me. It's really groovy. It's got French Montana. Remember French Montana?
Oh my God,
What a throwback.
yeah.
And then
R.I.B. Kinwar and a big French Montana river.
Unforgettable.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
What Kim Blanton, like 2017.
17.
Oh my God.
Yeah, back in the day.
Wow.
And then in Ken Dernick is kind of like a soul, you know, real groovy. It's called Mojo Hannah, led in around Tammy Lynn. In fairness, I didn't even learn the artist name until today because on Rud the Hoyle is I just added it to my Spotify library and I just recognize Antaran, but I've never actually looked into it. But current sé sunna mé a gcónaí because we have to keep smiles on our faces agus an grá sin a cheola, so that is the Spotify playlist that I've made for you, Pauline, agus tá mé chunne a cheola chud níos déine in you.
Rimme she can that you faster. Do you want a sneak peek? I'm not going to give them all away, but do you want a sneak peek?
Yeah, tá.
Okay, so Everheen is Schulte Gala, the Conifers.
Oh.
Yeah, nice and chill.
Yeah.
So just the Conifers really might if it's mutha then you be gay shit and you don't know them. There's Galanta, but you can clippers down so in the edit.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, kill Galanta. Then we have Ivy and Gold.
Yeah.
Bombay Bicycle Club.
Nice.
I guess into moving further down, it doesn't go straight into this, but we've got Cream by Wu-Tang Clan.
I love it.
Yeah, just go out and feel like you own the world.
Oh, that's what I need. What I need. Feel
I do
hard.
love a bit of hip hop. So yeah, it's gonna send that straight over to you.
I'm so excited. Chun éisce sin.
know.
So that's another idea. Gur féad live den of leis an amsha. You can think about Fadas go to, you know, while you're missing your friends, you can think about Kane or Anchor Bralo, what you think they'd love to hear. Make them a Spotify playlist. Agus shoulder right. It's our nose kind of mixtape hiola against that show. You know, just a modern techie version.
Yeah, exactly. I guess you can't splice together tape, but you know, you can throw together a Spotify playlist.
You definitely, absolutely can. Oh, hi, Buchel.
Buchel. Oh,
Yeah,
class.
the Buchel underwear.
They're coupled in your hello instance, so we're like, oh hey, that was there kind of, but we don't know.
Ítach má. So, tá neart swinte HV again, we've talked about pulling out Nishan games consoles, immer blind drawing, is féidir brand new around shit movies,
I
new
know.
movie quote
Let's
quizzy
do
in
like
it.
for the blind
We had a
drawing.
lightning round fresh in. We thought
It's a
donate a
pig.
bit of money off fech her muck sin. We made Spotify playlists,
Beautiful.
but ní muidna a bháin a bhí an. Le beidir lá a nuas Tom se agus Pauline hééis texa á óghine ará. Déné seo, déné sin, is féidir é seo dhéanamh leis an Céir do bhir tú, Pauline?
So, bhí couple then you introduce a lotí bhís de leo, so bhí daoine regurs de leo, gurs de glanú, gurs de cogracht, bhí daoine leo lotí a chealaisiid, agus I'm guilty of this fasta, but isn't there chealainn tú like shot lotí
Yeah.
in Nolig or whenever, and you don't read them? Agus shot an am farfa like all rashes yet like a leo. So, Hashimish Leo, Normal People by Sally Rooney, your Neil Shalater gum go foil, and like when did it come out? Like a couple of years ago. This is a genuine BBC 3
Wow.
adaptation though, so I'll read it and then see how it chalks up. So Tasha Learson Dine ra fasta go the glanú couture agus tam bhí mar sin fasta tam hammer co glan níl really abtecha, but sé inta glan.
It looks great.
I know, good year. Agus cockeracht, so is daine mór mar tá gomóriste Bon Appetit an canal YouTube agus hasisi amach ar go gourmet mix mar hasisi go dúir daine, and then when go It's Alive le Brad Leone.
Yeah.
Agus literally an eis ru we heard it is to like give it to me. So like current says go dúir recipes, denim like pasta dishes, denim cookies, agus honestly tá me gurí river, but it's fine.
That's all.
It's so tasty.
Rud mé I got from Roisin at Roisin Galava. We love you. Dirty do lots of Google Hangouts agus big bapal in a Google Hangouts, which sounds really fun. For me, Kevin, Dirty Screef's gone on. Just why not? Screef's gone on, get that screenplay going. Der Sean, Dear Conal Tusik Aline. I know it's for a two, Pauline.
Blind drawing.
A bit of blind line drawing.
Pauline Picasso.
And third Cat freshen, I don't know what she posted in show, but Cat, she said that she has list the ruddy in it. She's made a list of things and she's put it on like an app in a wheel like raw a wheel agus gach or like she like spins the wheel.
Oh, Hanik mentioned like a pinwheel.
Agus tung she ruddy in random de le denov.
Oh my god, what a smart girl.
What a smart woman. And to Kesh fight again, Roisin, she says, okay. This is going to be controversial, but there's curry le mala spísrach.
Curry le mala spísra?
Yeah.
Ní mailam sa curry sauce.
No, anything that.
No, my ass curry sauce fast. Oh my god, I feel so seen. Like, because holiday, like, how do you not like curry sauce? Like, I
Yeah.
love curry. I don't like curry sauce. It tastes weird and fake, and I don't like it.
It's it's because the Instagram live at Gael Gals couple of láhin and someone commented Cadi Chiapan Shiv fui seo is bra lumps at A. And I just thought, no, like if actually it'll be too wet.
Just soggy.
You know?
Just Sog City.
Soggy, yeah.
Sorry, Sog City.
Yeah, it'll be so
know.
wet. You know?
Yeah, no, I don't like that. 3-in-1, I get sweet and sour sauce, and we all know how that went one fine day when I spilled it.
So Pauline,
but-
Cod Horla, tell the boys and girls at home.
No, Nyama Ginshin Skillery. Basically, I burnt myself on some sweet and sour sauce, and it still is on my leg, scarred for life.
I'm sorry for Shin.
Yeah, I know.
Shin took so
Sad
we've
enough.
covered so much. We've got lots
Ruined
of
my
text
career as a
fresh
light
in.
model.
All these resources like teaching will be online. They steady in you. Maybe tomorrow you'll be able to get graphics with all of our ideas of things to do while you're self-isolating by the Spotify playlists on fresh in. By Nyart Ruddy I'll be putting a link on Lamehart Galua. So Cunny Sulamach the Shin and this recording podcast Beishe Airfall, Spotify, Apple, all that jazz again long ago, so you'll be able to listen back to this Instagram live. But anyone who has been ag éisteacht gur mágad a sug bheith éisteach leis an céad episode BEO de Podgrill a Lamehart and we'll module lot, Pauline, or Ceamí nar bhí tú chuir de love ar an laba greibh tú ag crimmelt madra. Yeah, agus bhí sé ionach bheith leir lá níach mé thula ages, I think.
Oh, come fada. Saw Google Hangouts, so you're just dropping in.
Yeah, I don't know what like, have I seen you since Mavrella?
No. Oh, no, Grafton Street, Thompson Wilmot.
Yeah.
Ashma.
Oh, that
I know,
but
it's
law
lovely to have it.
ionach é sin
Fate.
because it's full
Yeah,
on
wire
Shroud
die.
Grafton and I was like, suck it up and go down agus Kevy and Shin, but Pauline.
Yeah.
So Grandma as Suck Pauline, Grandma as Branu, and then Grandma as Éisteacht.
Woo.
Slán Pauline.
Slán, Rory.